All right, negative terminal, loosen it up. Careful with sparks. Got it, now for the degreaser. Almost there. Got it, watch it now, clear. Hand it off. Controls activated, lowering initiated, disengaging safety now. Wheels making contact, suspension loading naturally. Locks engaged, lift secured. Firewatch protocol engaged. Protocol confirmed. Correct, the thinning is exactly to spec. Now for the spray gun. Brake check complete. Systems initialized. Ready to...
The preliminary analysis confirms the chassis integrity is intact, but the paint requires complete stripping. We can preserve the original spec. The front left section appears to be the primary impact zone. Heavy charring, some structural failure underneath. The damage here is extensive. The heat must have been intense to do this to the carbon fiber. Yeah, definitely this won't be an easy fix. God, this thing is really stuck on there. Oh. There it goes. God, this is in there tight. Keep prying, you're almost through it. The thermal transfer at this specific point is beyond the... All right, let's see what's under all this suit. There it is, the Atlantic blue, looking pretty clean underneath. The primary impact point appears to be here along this line. The crack reveals the original paint underneath. Extensive paint bubbling near the handle. Noted. Severe corrosion here as well. Right, and deep burn marks on the rear panel. Document those carefully. Drainage is clear. Suspension mount is solid. Wiring looks intact. All mounting points are clean. right, negative terminal. Loosen it up. Careful with the sparks. Got it. Now for the degreaser.
Keep it away from the sensors here. Make sure these are covered.
All right, just one more good turn. Looks good, nice and tight. Severe thermal damage. The chassis and engine blocks seem intact though. This is salvageable. Careful with the door, watch the wires.
Yes, sir.
Got it, looks good here. Okay, back to the passenger side.
Almost there. Got it. Watch it now. Clear. Hand it off.
Comes the extent of the fire, and then we'll need a complete restoration. Got it. Documenting the scope now, we can start the cleaning phase immediately. All right, let's see how bad this floor is. Hold on, this is really stuck.
Looks like the seam sealer's gone too.
Yeah, heat got everywhere. Careful, don't hit the pillar.
Ah, that's it.
Got it, watch your back. Just right there on the sheeting. The floor pans clearly show corrosion, consistent with water pooling and heat exposure. It looks like surface rust here, but deeper penetration near the weld.
Keep it light here. Okay, stubborn. Gotta push harder. Flip it, fresh surface. All right, final pass on the floor. Condition check. Make sure the power and water are connected securely. Got it, the hoses are laid out. Now test the extractor function. Move the seats fully onto the mat. Understood.
Still needs a lot of work.
Yeah, the seats are coming along though.
Exterior is a long way off. All right, let's start with the leather. Shampoo's here, ready to go. We need to test the suction first.
Keep working the foam on that side, and I'll finish up the extraction here. All right, just starting to wipe this section down. Seating. The humidity is going down fast. Good, looks like we're ready for the next phase.
Okay, thermal scan shows heat damage here. Let's get a visual.
Yeah.
Cracks in the bushing, boot torn on the ball joint, deformation here too. This bearing preload is good, but the rotor shows some heat distress.
Check the ball joints next.
Seems solid. Entering the notes on the tablet now. Oil level within specifications, condition looks good. Moving on to coolant and brake fluid. All right, system health checked. Stored fault codes, oxygen sensor faults from exhaust heat. Verified.
Controls activated, lowering initiated.
Disengaging safeties now. Wheels making contact, suspension loading naturally. Locks engaged, lift secured. Depth 3 millimeters. Check. Verified. Marking complete.
We need the
Excellent
high
work.
grit paper here.
All right, I've got the welding gear ready.
Checking the pressure on this grinder.
Severe warping here, likely a replacement. Agreed. This inner door trim looks salvageable, but needs heat remediation.
Firewatch protocol engaged.
Protocol confirmed.
All right, that section is off. See the extent of the damage here?
Definitely insulation looks bad.
No burrs on the edge, good. Let's document this for the new panel. The alignment looks perfect. Let me check the gap. Just right, 1.5 millimeters.
Yeah.
I'll mark the tack points now.
그다음 투명대 뭐 미게서
Almost there. Looks perfect. Keep the light steady. Got it. Need a bit more here. Need a bit more here. The guide coat reveals the flaws. High spots clean, low spots marked. More work needed here. The damage here is extensive, especially on the quarter panel and the hood. Look at the heat distortion on the pillar here. We'll need to reinforce that section. The filler here needs more attention. I agree, the blend isn't perfect yet. Mark that down, then, okay, let's just check these repairs one more time. Looks good to go, mate. Keep that corner tight. Almost there. Checking the seal. Good, we don't want any overspray here. Correct. The thinning is exactly to spec. Now for the spray gun. Keep the distance medium, nice and soft.
Good coverage there.
Maximizing contrast for the sanding.
Looks ready.
Prep work complete. We're ready for paint.
اون یه شما صبح سایکا شام گوش
All right, measurements are good. Got the setting the pressure to low for the primer. Checking the solution levels.
I think the oxidation effect turned out perfectly.
Yes, it really emphasizes the lines of the body.
Absolutely stunning work.
All right, slowly now. Watch the side.
Easy.
Got it. Easy.
You can see the filters are quite clogged here,
Yes.
which is affecting the sealing intake on this side.
Okay, I see.
We need a full replacement and system reset.
Agreed. Get a team on it.
The booth filters provide optimal airflow.
Right.
If they clog, the paint quality suffers. See the gauge over there?
All right, Bugatti Atlantic Blue. Base A first. Need exactly 345.7 grams. All right, perfect atomization. Time to make this look amazing.
Looks like the damage is mostly surface.
Agreed. Let's start with a protective layer.
kay tarangay khwad da de na de pay ne de khwad kya de ne ga chim dat ne da asana karna le ne side
The humidity is perfect for the clear coat. Yes, look at that finish. It's flawless. No orange peel at all. The reflections are perfect. Just like we promised. Outstanding work. Ready to deliver.
I'm ready to hit this panel with the yellow pad. Okay, I've got the spray and towel here. Let's see how this cut goes.
Perfection achieved.
Vamos a chocolate slate.
Torque spec reached. Solid install. All right, fitment is perfect. Everything's secure and properly installed. Good to go.
The seat looks perfect, just needs a final polish.
Okay.
Agreed, I'll add that to the list. Brake check complete.
Ready to roll, J.
Systems initialized.
Ready to roll.
Looks perfect in here.
Yeah, flawless, great work. And there you have it, ready to hit the road. It's been a privilege working on this beauty.